Okay, she's here in my hands, the Ulike Air 10. As an esthetician, I'm no stranger to IPL devices. This is more powerful than its predecessor, and here is why. This new model now has 2 pulse lamps, assuring you'll have salon quality results at home in no time. This also has sapphire ice cooling technology, keeping your treatments comfortable and safe to use. Seriously, it's literally ice cold. You see that? That's literally icing. Oh my god. Quick PSA, wear the goggles provided and shave thoroughly. So intense pulse light, or IPL, operates on the principle of selective photothermolysis, which essentially, in layman's term, targets melanin in the hair follicle, heats it up so hard, it stunts its hair growth. The thicker, the darker the hair, the better. There is an SHR mode, which is super hair removal. There's 4 flashes, and that's the most I've seen in an at-home device. That is fast. This Ulike Air 10 IPL hair removal device is available now at ulike.com.